Hey there. Quick question for you. Have you ever wondered what would happen if your business suddenly faced a cyber attack? Maybe a ransomware incident, a massive data breach, or even a critical system outage? How would you recover? How much would it cost? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to Bluehat Cybersec Academy. Today we're diving deep into cyber insurance, what it covers, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it can protect your business when the unexpected happens. So, first off, let's talk about what cyber insurance actually is. Sometimes it's called cyber liability insurance, and basically it's a type of coverage designed to protect businesses from the financial fallout of cyber incidents. Unlike traditional business insurance, which often doesn't cover hacking, malware, or data breaches, cyber insurance is specifically focused on mitigating risk and minimizing the impact of cyber events. That way, if something goes wrong, businesses can recover quickly and keep running. Most policies tackle some very important areas. First up, data breach and privacy liability. If sensitive information, like customer personal data, payment card details, or employee records, is stolen or exposed, cyber insurance can step in to cover. Media. IT security expert analyzing data breach on computer, business team reviewing privacy policy documents, legal fees and settlements, regulatory fines and penalties, notification costs for affected parties, and even credit monitoring for those impacted. Trust me, even a single data breach can cost millions, depending on the type and scale of the data involved, so this coverage can literally save your business from financial ruin. Next, network security and business interruption. Cyber attacks don't just steal data, they can completely halt your operations. With cyber insurance, you could recover. Media. Business team reviewing insurance policy in office, manager discussing recovery plan with colleagues, loss of income during downtime. Cover extra expenses to restore systems or recover data, and pay for IT forensic investigations. This ensures that your business isn't crippled financially while trying to get back online. Now, cyber extortion and ransomware. With ransomware attacks on the rise, cyber insurance can cover media, concerned business owner reading ransomware demand on laptop, IT manager discussing ransomware incident with team ransom payments, where legally allowed, costs of negotiating with attackers, and post-attack recovery expenses. This coverage acts as a lifeline if your business ever faces extortion demands. Let's talk about media liability and reputation management. Some cyber incidents involve online defamation, social engineering, or accidental leaks of confidential info. Cyber insurance may cover media, public relations team managing online crisis, corporate team, addressing social media incident and meeting legal costs for media liability claims, public relations support to manage reputational damage, and even crisis management strategies. Because protecting your company's reputation is just as important as fixing the technical problem. And finally, legal and regulatory costs. With laws like GDPR and CCPA, non-compliance can be extremely costly. Cyber insurance often covers media, legal team reviewing GDPR compliance documents, compliance officer discussing regulations with staff, regulatory investigations, legal defense costs, and fines or penalties where insurable by law. This helps businesses handle the legal side of cyber incidents without going bankrupt. What cyber insurance typically does not cover? Well, it's equally important to know what's not included. Intentional or fraudulent acts by insiders may be excluded. Physical damage to hardware is usually not covered, and losses from prior known incidents generally aren't insurable, so always review your policy carefully to avoid surprises. Choosing the right cyber insurance policy. Now, selecting the right policy isn't just about picking the cheapest option. Think about your risk exposure and business needs. Does it cover all cyber incidents relevant to your industry? Are the limits and deductibles sufficient for worst-case scenarios? Does it provide access to IT forensic experts, legal counsel, or PR support? And does the policy help with GDPR, HIPAA, or other regulatory compliance? Working with experienced brokers or cybersecurity consultants can help ensure your policy truly protects your business. Why is cyber insurance becoming essential? Cyber attacks are getting more frequent, sophisticated, and costly. Even small businesses are prime targets. With ransomware, phishing, and state-sponsored attacks increasing every year, cyber insurance is no longer optional, it's a strategic safeguard. The right coverage can reduce financial exposure, provide expert support during and after incidents, protect reputation and client trust, and ensure regulatory compliance. Investing in cyber insurance is essentially investing in your business's resilience. Before we wrap up, here's an important thought. Cyber insurance isn't a replacement for strong security practices. Preventive measures, employee training, and solid IT defenses are still essential. But here's a challenge for you. Think about your business, or a company you know. If a cyber incident happened tomorrow, how would cyber insurance help you recover? Could it save your finances, your reputation, or even your client's trust? Take a moment and imagine it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Bluehat Cybersec Academy and discover essential strategies for risk management and compliance. Watch our governance and compliance playlist now. Remember, understanding cyber insurance isn't just about policies. It's about keeping your business secure, resilient, and ready for the unexpected.